Hi guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a whole bunch of book mail and I thought I would open it with you because it's just more fun that way. So yeah, we have quite a few books to get through, so let's begin. Okay, I always get so excited whenever I get a book mail because it's like my favorite ever type of mail. So yeah, first we have two small packages, so we will begin with them. And this book is... okay, so this is The Goblin Emperor by Katherine Addison. And I'm so excited about this book because it's gonna be my first ever book about goblins. I've never read anything about goblins, like it's my first one, so I am so excited. And yeah, I've been waiting for all of these books for so long because I ordered them before Easter, and like, you know, when it's Easter, it's like Easter holidays, so I had to wait for the Easter to finish, and then after that they sent me my books. So I had to wait quite a while. So yeah, I'm very excited. And so this book it's a story of a young prince, half goblin prince, who has been living in exile for his whole life, but eventually his father, the king, and his younger brothers who are heirs to the throne before him, all of them get killed in some kind of accident. And so he is summoned to court, and he really doesn't like the city. He doesn't like the life in the capital. He thinks it's too exhausting for him. He has no training in politics, in like all these court intrigues. He doesn't know anything about it. But eventually he learns that the death of his father and his brothers was no incident. It was actually a murder, and he is convinced that whoever committed the murder is also planning an attempt on his life. So I feel like this book is going to be full of court intrigues, full of politics, and I am so excited because I love this type of books. So yeah, I'm very excited about this book. The next book, yes! The next book is Circe. It's Circe by Madeline Miller. Oh, unfortunately, my god, something happened to it, maybe in transportation, but it's okay. Circe finally arrived, and it is so beautiful. I really like the whole like cover design. I loved this book. Song of Achilles. I loved it with my whole heart. So now I'm so excited for Circe. So Circe is a retelling of a Greek myth. Circe is a daughter of a titan and a goddess. She is not exactly powerful like her father, not that beautiful as her mother, but she has a very unique gift on her own. She has a gift of a witchcraft. And so by this gift she threatens the gods, and they send her away to the island of I'm not sure how to pronounce the name of the island. So where she hones her craft. So she learns about her. She tames wild animals, and so she lives there alone, and eventually she meets Odysseus, for whom she eventually will risk everything she has. Sounds wonderful, sounds amazing, and I'm so excited for this book. I cannot wait. Let me know in the comments if you have read Circe. Did you like it? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it because I just love the Song of Achilles. I'm sure I'm gonna love this book as well. Okay, now we have the fun packages, because in these packages you get to do this. I really like doing this. Yeah. This is always so satisfying. I like doing this. Okay, in here we have two books, people. We have two books. The Dragon with Chocolate Heart, and we have Earthsea, the first four books by Ursula Le Guin. Okay, so first, The Dragon with the Chocolate Heart. I'm not sure what this book is about. It was recommended to me by somebody on Instagram, because we were talking and I said that like I really like books about dragons, and she said that like probably you will like this one because she really enjoyed it. So I guess it's like a middle grade story. So it's a story of a dragon who becomes a human, and because she drank some kind of chocolate, and it sounds so cute. And also just look at the cover, like, oh yes, I like it. So I think I'm gonna read this one first out of all the books, so I'm very excited. And then the next book that came in that package is the Earthsea, and I'm sure a lot of people know it because I haven't read it, but I have it at home in Russian translation. So it's supposed to be, it's a fantasy story. Let me see. It's a story about a magician who, from his childhood age, when he learns that he's a magician, and he is sent to magic school to learn the true ways of magic, and then eventually there is like this bad guy who he has to fight. So I don't know, I'm not sure about the story, but I'm excited because it's classics of fantasy, and yeah, I want to read it. Okay, so the next package is here, and again we do this fun thing. Oh no! Oh no! Yeah, we did it. So here we have two books again. So the first one is Dreamer's Pool by Juliet Marillier. Juliet Marillier is a famous young adult fantasy writer. I learned about her from a YouTube, like a booktuber also here on YouTube. She really likes this author, and I thought like, wow, I should give it a try. Okay, and as far as I know, she writes retellings of Irish, I think, myths or something like that. In this case, so this is the first book in a trilogy. This book is about a young witch who was a prisoner, but she escapes from the prison with her prison mate. So they find a home in this new kind of kingdom, but the prince of this kingdom needs help because he was supposed to marry a girl whom he really loved, and he thought that it was like true love and, you know, destiny and stuff. But the girl who actually arrived to him for the marriage is nothing like the girl who was writing the letters to him. So he needs some help from this young girl and her friend. And yeah, it's going to be an interesting fantasy story. I cannot wait to read it. And then this book is Wishtree. Also, it's a middle grade book. So this is a book about a tree which grows in a small town, and people come to this tree and they adorn it with some bits of paper and bits of fabric and make wishes. And yeah, I think it's going to be a very nice and lovely middle grade read. I like middle grade literature, and also it has some beautiful, you see, illustrations, and oh, I like this. Okay, I'm also very excited about this book. I think it's going to be very lovely. The last package that came is this. So let's open. Oh, yeah. This is a huge book. This is a huge book. It's The Luminaries by Eleanor Catton. I've been waiting for this book for ages. I really want to read it. I'm just a little bit terrified by its size, because how many pages? Let's see. 800 pages are here, but it's okay. So it's a story of a young man who comes to New Zealand in 1866. He comes in search of gold. He comes to the gold fields, but eventually he comes across a gathering of men who were discussing like crimes that have recently happened in the area and that have not been solved since then. And so one rich man was murdered, a whore has tried to end her life, and one guy who was like a complete drunk, they found fortune in his house somehow. And so he gets thrown into this mystery and he tries to solve it. So I guess it's going to be a very interesting read. Also, it's a winner of the Man Booker Prize, so I guess this book was worth reading and I'm very excited about this. Okay guys, so there you have it. How many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm going to start. I think I will start with Wishtree, and then the Chocolate Heart, and then Circe, and then maybe Golden Emperor, and then yeah, and then we will see. Because I don't actually make TB like strict TBRs because I am much of a mood reader, but now that I have such a collection of books to read, I am excited. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what books have you recently bought and are you enjoying them so far? Are you reading them already? Thank you so much for watching and I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you very soon in my next videos. Thank you. Have a good day.